Hey guys, I picked up a 9-inch vise and some aluminum plates. I'm going to make a quick setup for quenching stainless. I have the plates and the vise so I can mark where the screw holes are going to go. I'm using a 20 thou feeler gauge just to make sure there's a gap in between the vise and the plates. So when I open and close the vise there's no friction. I'm using the 1364 drill bit to mark the holes. After I mark the holes, I'm going to take the aluminum plates over to the drill press. The holes on the bottom of the vise need to be drilled out because they're a bit smaller than the top holes. I like to set the table on the drill press so the drill bit only digs in about 3/4 or halfway. And then I can go along and drill all the holes to the same depth, and I don't have to worry about the drill bit going through the aluminum plate. I'm using a 1/4 20 tap. I had to grind the tip off so I could get threads all the way down. The only tap I had was one of the ones with the pointy tip, the through hole tap. I'm just doing a quick test with the screw. It goes in really easy and it comes out really easy by hand. I built this little extended piece out of 2x4s on my bench, and the camera ended up dying halfway through, so I don't have any footage for it, but it's just simple enough. I'm using it so the vise faces me, so it's a lot easier to put the heated blade inside the vise. I'm going to run 4 threaded bolts through and screw the vise down on the opposite side, and I'm also going to screw down the 4 bolts on the back side of the bench. Now that it's facing me when I open and close it, the back of the vise won't be in the way when I put the blade in. I'm wrapping stainless foil around a small test piece of aeb-l, just so I can try out the vise. I'm just setting it so it'll ramp up to 1560 and it will hold it for 5 minutes because the test piece is a little small. And then afterwards it's going to ramp up to 1940 and hold it for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out and quench it in the plates. You can hear the oven starting to fire. When you stick the piece of steel that's heated up to 1940 degrees in between the aluminum plates, the aluminum sucks the heat out so fast in just a few seconds that it actually hardens the steel. It's the same as using high carbon where they dunk it in oil, where the oil sucks the heat out of the blade, but this way the aluminum's sucking the heat out of the blade. There was an Alpha knife supply sticker stuck to the steel and it burnt right off and left a little green mark. Alright guys, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. I'll leave links in the description for everything. Until I catch you on the next one, have a good one guys.